In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to color code your Microsoft Outlook calendar, an incredibly helpful tool for organizing your schedule and making your life much easier. We'll break it down into simple steps so that even if you're not the most tech savvy, you'll be able to follow along and have your calendar looking vibrant and organized in no time. First things first, you'll need to head over to your Microsoft Outlook. This is your starting point. If you typically access your emails through the Outlook client or the web version, log in as you usually do. Once you're in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface if you aren't already. Outlook can sometimes present a lot of options, but today we'll keep our focus on the calendar. Next, zero in on the calendar option. You'll find this in the navigation pane. It's usually represented by a small calendar icon. Click on it to open the calendar view where all your appointments, meetings, and events are displayed. Navigating the calendar is quite intuitive as it shows your schedule in either daily, weekly, or monthly layouts, depending on your preference. Now it's time to click on the View option. This button is typically located on the toolbar at the top. Clicking here will reveal several options that allow you to customize what you're seeing. From this menu, what you're looking for is View Settings. Click that, and you'll see a series of advanced settings options. These are essentially tools to help you tailor your calendar to fit your personal style of organization. Within these settings, you'll find the Conditional Formatting option. This is where the magic happens because it allows you to set criteria that change how certain appointments look. Click on Conditional Formatting, and you'll be taken to a new menu where you can start assigning colors to specific criteria you choose, such as meeting types, event categories, or even based on who they are with. Now start adding your specific dates and assign unique colors to each of these events. For instance, you might want all meetings from a particular project team to show up in blue, while personal appointments could be green. Simply add a new rule, specify the text and color, and hit Apply. This visual distinction helps in easily identifying what's coming up at a glance, without the need to dive into each entry's details. Lastly, admire your work. Once you've set up your color-coded system, sit back and take a look. Your calendar should now be more visually appealing and significantly more functional. This organizational method isn't just about aesthetics, it's also about efficiency and productivity as it helps you prioritize and manage your time better. And there you have it. Your Outlook calendar is now color-coded and ready to help streamline your day-to-day activities. Thank you for watching and happy scheduling.